Morning. It's still dark outside. I'm on my way to my doctor, but not to give him my results. I just have to take the paper that you have to have for your travel about your medication, I guess. And I gotta be there so early, before 7, like 6:40. It's 6 now, so it's not, the thing is, I'm so tired. I don't sleep at all. I'm so fucking tired. If you only knew. Some of you probably do. I'm sleep deprived, and that's bad. Yeah. So yeah. I'm going to the river. Because the other day I couldn't because of the police. Yep. Not even sure if it's open. Yes. Yes, so this is it, yes. It looks pretty. And I was at the doctor and I didn't get a paper for my medication because he said I don't need it for traveling, but I don't know. He said it's nothing, it's not like a drug, it's something I take like therapy, and I don't need any paperwork for that, but it's strange, I don't know. So yeah, we're at the river now. So there's a lot of fishes here. Yeah. I don't know if you can see them. And big fishes as well. It's very peaceful. It's calling you to jump in. Fish. Again, so I got home, I'm just eating breakfast, and I just wanted to tell you that, as I said, the doctor didn't want to give me the papers for my trip, for my medication, because he said we don't need it for European Union, and that I'm gonna write your names from everybody on that video on papers and put it in something, and then I'll just, in front of the camera, I'll just take one name out, and whoever wins, I hope that you'll get back to me, and then we can see how I'm gonna send it. Thank you.